What's going on, everybody? Stock Jock here, up $15,555 on the day. The first hour, I was up $6,653 in the first hour of trading. So, really good job. This week has been ridiculous so far. Yesterday was a $22,000 day. Monday, I can't remember what it was. What was it Monday? It was a good day. It was Green Day. This weekend's the same. March is turning out to be pretty special. So, well, I say that. It's a good start, and watch tomorrow. I just completely fall on my face. Anyway, let's get into the trades. Before I do that, I want to invite you all to my free Twitch stream where I day trade live all day long. I take questions from new traders, and I listen to shout outs from our experienced traders looking for plays. It's just a great community where we come together, where we're all trying to work together to make money in the stock market. So all those links are down below. We also have a Discord. So come on in. All right, let's get into the trades. So, all right, I didn't take too many trades this morning. It was a kind of a slow morning, but the trades I did take paid off. So the first thing I did was I sold a swing trade in RKT. RKT was gapping down, and in the morning, it kind of did this first, last little push up. I got green on the trade. I sold for like $2,500, whatever. And then it proceeded to be a dumpster fire the rest of the day. So I started off the day with that. I'm not going to show that trade. After that, I went to INFY. INFY was a news play. Oh, what happened here? Jeez. Okay, anyway. News I heard was this one. And when I heard it, I think it was something to do with, I don't know. I want to say Amazon. I can't even remember. All I know is a news play. When I got to it, it kind of it's a big float. So I knew that this news might not move the stock much. I got long 1838, 1842, 4,000 shares total. And it just could not break. I was looking for maybe the break of the 50-cent level, up there, wherever it is. Just couldn't get any momentum past this Bollinger Band. It started to come back down, and I stopped out for a small loss. The next trade after that is FSR. Let me find FSR here at 10:09. So through here, so FSR kind of broke through the VWAP. It created all these little ceilings, we'll say, right? We got a ceiling here, came up, made another ceiling, came up, made another ceiling, right? Came up, made another ceiling. And right before, let me zoom in so you can really see it. And you'll see when I go live, I think. Yeah. So what I saw was right here. So right before, we made the ceiling, it went candle under candle. And it didn't do anything. It went candle under candle and popped right back up with good volume. You'll see it kind of fly through the time of sales. That kind of told me this downward trend move, right? So this downward move, drop, bounce, candle under candle that didn't really do anything, candle under candle that definitely didn't do anything. This was ripe for a bounce. And we had all these little ceilings lined up here. And I was like, if we crack one of them, it's like a domino effect. If I get enough juice to break this one, and then ultimately maybe break that one. And that's what happened. I went long as soon as it failed to the downside, found lots of buyers. And I was like, okay, this 2706 breaks, I go long. I had orders ready to go live for this one. That's what this one is down here. When I saw that this was about to break, I manually bought 2713, right? Got the breakup that I was thinking through this first domino to fall. This level breaks, and that's where my other buys go through. So I have 6,000 shares at this point of this stock. Shoots up to another level, breaks this one. I thought we were going to get the 50-cent level. It just couldn't do it. I start exiting. I exit. So I have 6,000 shares. I exit 2740, 2736, 2737. So a nice win there. And then we get to the Tesla trades, but I'm going to run these real quick back to back. Google INFY, $500 million deal. I hit buy twice. I don't know when I'm going to get filled. There's a $78 billion company, so it might not be a big deal to them. Yeah. 500 million's fun, but doesn't seem to be something that's... It's a 4 billion share float? All right, I'm out. Wow, he trades slow this morning. INFY, why did I think this one was a smaller company? Yeah, I'm waiting for a bounce on RKT for sure. So this is a candle under candle fail here. So I tried to take the next candle over candle. Give me the 5-minute candle over play. Candle over candle play. Hopefully. Let's go break 27. 20. Build there. Let's get this pop over 34. Get it. Get it, dude. And now I sell. All out. Boom shakalaka. So these next trades were all on Tesla, and basically all I'm doing here is throughout this part of the day, the SPY or the markets in general really just started to sell off pretty hard. And when that happens, I tend to go play Tesla because it just moves so well. I mean, if you find your favorite stock to short during a market downturn and the market's kind of puking up pretty good, find it and play it. I just find that Tesla does some pretty good moves, and I can make good money playing Tesla. So I play Tesla. Kind of see that huge reversal that it did from basically 700 all the way down to 675, $25 move here in what, 30 minutes or so. So this is what I played. And the first time I took this trade was right here. So this isn't the typical way I would take this trade, but I did. So normally how I like to teach it is if you're playing something to the downside, you have your, I mean, this is actually picture perfect. You have your drop, you have your bounce, you have your candle under candle. You're looking for low of the run, you take your profit. Rinse and repeat. Drop, bounce, bounce, candle under candle, look for low of the run, profit. Rinse and repeat. Drop, bounce, 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 candle under candle, looking for follow through, loking for the break of the low of the run, take your profit. All right. I don't know why I felt like this was this a horizontal? Okay, so I know why now. If I zoom out a little bit, you can kind of see this is a key level of support from before. It's a horizontal, and I play horizontals to the top side of it. I just played one on the FSR trade. You break these horizontals, you get a pop on the upside, and same thing on the downside. These two bottoms kind of lining up here. It's a support area. I figured if it broke it, I get a nice drop. And that's exactly what happened. I went short via puts. I don't have the funds to actually short the stock, nor would I feel comfortable doing that, so I do puts. I bought 40 contracts at 15, call it 28 average, and I sold 10 of them at 15.72. Another 10 at 16.40. So over a dollar win there. That's like $1,000. Oh wait, sorry. Sold them all. So 16.24, sold 20, sold another 10 at 15.72, another 10 at 16.40. Then it set up again, and this time it was at 10.17. So this one got the drop, 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 drop. You got a bounce candle. This one I actually played how I would normally play it. It just didn't work out too well. Candle under, let me zoom in more, it's hard to see. Candle under candle entry right there. Look for low of the run, which I got, and take your profit. In this one, we're kind of running into the Bollinger Band here, so that's offering some sort of support. That's why it didn't really drop as hard like this one did. This one I took long at 1930, and got out at 1985. Nice win there for 5 contracts. And the other 5, it bounced pretty good on that next candle, and I got out at 1885. So this was almost a break-even trade there. Then it set up again at 1025. To the top side, I bought calls. So here, what I'm looking for is we got another breakdown, right? We had the drop, we got the bounce, we got the candle under candle fail. So it didn't get down to the run here and low of the run. So that, especially in Tesla's world, when I see that, there's usually a decent bounce to the top side. Now, you only know this from experience with Tesla, and I've been trading it for a while now. A lot of times you'll get a reversal when you see that failed move for the first time of the run. You'll get some sort of pop, right? So I went long on this candlestick. I think I went long for the candle over candle. That's what I would typically do. But I was looking for a break of this little ceiling here, this little peak. And I got all that. I got in at 1777, 10 contracts, just plain small, relatively small here. Just because it's kind of wild. The morning's kind of wild here. I get the pop that I'm looking for. I sell basically 20, 30 seconds later at 1831 and 1858. So a very nice win there. I think, yes, that was the last trade I took. So that was it. These next ones all happened later in the day. But that was the last trades I took in the morning. Finish up the morning really green. Let's roll them. Looking to short this break. It's the break. We a low day. $60. There it is. Over in half. Run some more because Tesla just bounces out of nowhere like crazy. Got 10 left. Market's still pushing down. Is there any other levels? Maybe here. Bit of a window. So you got your drop. You're gonna get another break. Oh, still the drop. Okay. All right, I'm just covering up the rest. Not gonna get too cheeky with it. What is that? Oh, it's going. Do it. 77.16. Oh, and you want to see it go lower the run immediately. This is almost a false break unless it goes. You have a stop loss on this sucker in my brain. Okay, so there it goes. Immediately selling half. Immediately selling the rest. Hello. Okay, E-Trade just screwed me there. So my first lot I nailed. And this second lot didn't do a freaking thing. It didn't sell right away when I pushed the button. It said an error. You don't have the options to sell. Oh, that's why when I pushed it the second time, it let me sell. But I actually lost money that second lot. First hour's in the bag. Not too many trades. $6,653. Let's freaking go.